Today is a good day. I will kill any man who tries to take this from me.
Hey, what have you got there, soldier?
This legendary rocket launcher was bestowed upon me from the gods.
What?
This legendary rocket launcher was bestowed upon me from the gods.
Bloody gorgeous.
Its design does look familiar, kind of like something from almost 3 decades ago.
Wait, something's happening!
Oh, this ain't good.
Soldier, do you have a moment for...
What is this place? And why the hell is everything pixelated and low poly? This is taking a toll on my eyes. Strange. Normally there would be weaker monsters to kill here, but I don't seem to find any.
And so Soldier was gone in a flash soon after obtaining the strange rocket launcher.
If it was the one from Quake, a slipgate must have appeared out of nowhere and took Soldier somewhere strange. It seems those portals are uncontrolled and occur by themselves.
Not to mention those portals are so rare that some of us barely managed to research them.
Come and get me, you furry menace! No ammo? Better find something else quick. Time to deliver the shocking truth!
Now, according to the slipgate detector, Soldier should appear from one right about... now.
Are you all right, soldier?
I have seen a world no man has saw before. Fought eldritch beasts.
Wait, your fancy rocket launcher is gone.
Oh my God, it's Ranger himself! His bravery really speaks to me.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.